Cars aren't all we do here at Rick's Reflections Mobile Detailing Ceramic Coating. Today, we're working on this 2016 Winnebago View, doing a two-stage cut and polish, getting rid of all this nasty oxidation that occurred from the Florida sun before it moved up here to Kansas. Then we're going to be doing a protective paint coating, giving you a 3-year ceramic coating from top to bottom, back to front, including the roof. And then this is going to give it some extra gloss and UV protection, coating the wheels, glass, paint, and gel coat. We're going to walk you through a process today, so stay tuned till the end so you can see the final product. So after we washed the vehicle outside, we pulled it inside, getting a nice look at what we're working with. We decided to do a small and conspicuous test spot to see what all we're going to have to do with this vehicle. Specifically, the oxidation on this gel coat is what we're after. So we are going to get away with doing a rotary cut and a machine polish to bring back the gloss, cut off all this oxidation, and give it a nice clean surface for a ceramic coating or other paint protection to adhere to. Once we're finished with that, we're going to be putting on a panel wipe to get rid of all the oils from the polishes and compounds, and then we're going to put that ceramic coating on here, hopefully to give it some extra time. Problem with oxidation is if you don't take care of it 100% of the way, it'll just come back in from the inside out. Oxidation is very labor intensive, which is why these jobs sometimes can cost a little bit if you wait. We always recommend getting this done before the damage happens so we're keeping up with it, but sometimes life gets ahead of you and you can't get to it. So now we finished two-stage correction, added a lot of clarity in this. So you'll see from some of the time lapse that we got here. Not sure what all we'll be able to use. We did a two-stage paint correction on the whole thing, including the vinyl, getting all the surfaces cleaned up, hard water stains, mainly the oxidation and fading. Went through a lot of pads, a lot of compound, a lot of product, a lot of time. We're now adding our protective paint coating. This is a 3-year single layer ceramic coating that's going to add UV, extra gloss, depth, and clarity. This is going on the surface now, and I am just really impressed. We're going to have to get some close-up shots on this, but how much depth and clarity this is adding to the gel coat. Paint, it does add a bit of depth and gloss, but this gel coat's really taking this coating really well. I think the owners are going to be through the roof and pleased. So this is going to give the owners peace of mind that their camper will not fade over these next 3 years. Add that nice restored shine for this 2016. They wish that it looked like this when they bought it. And give them just a protected surface, easier to clean. You know, these things are a pain to clean, all those bugs and stuff when you actually use them and travel. So we're just wrapping up. I'll show you some of the more finished products, and then we'll chat when it's outside. So this is it, final product. A beautifully two-stage paint corrected, ceramic coated 2016 Winnebago View, coated with IGL Elixir. If you want this type of protection and you're in the Johnson County surrounding areas, give us a call at 913-777-9545.